Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2015 Ford Kuga, stock reference number 7429. This shape runs from the 11th month 2014 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. .5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good factory steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel.